Loyal Makina is located in Bursa City in northwest Turkey. It's nicknamed Green Bursa. We are Loyal Makina, innovative cutting solutions. We had a dream 15 years ago, and we made it happen. During 15 years, we have delivered excellence to our business partners. We have grown from zero to many thousands of machines around the globe. We are proud of our machines that are sold in more than 60 countries in 5 continents. We have more than 120 employees, every one of which works very hard. We love our work. What is our secret? It is our vision, passion, focus, teamwork, management, and quality. We are focused on serving our customers. Quality is at the core of the way we do business. It's just how to do things. Loyal Mac continues its strong growth for our new era. We innovate and design to improve the quality of life for those who use our products. In-house manufacturing, quality control of each component, ready spare parts, solutions that are customized to our clients' need, our premium products, our machine range, CNC plasma cutting machines, and CNC fiber laser machines. We still have more to give to the world. It's time to think big. Every step leaves a footprint on tomorrow. We're thinking ahead to the future and moving forward today while we continue our efforts to build tomorrow.